So, good afternoon, students. Today, our lesson is dedicated to the legendary sister of mercy who changed military medicine, Florence Nightingale. Creating smart goals. You should recognize the attitude or opinion of the writer in short text on a growing range of general and curricular topics. Understand independently specific information and detail in short, simple text on a limited range of general and curricular topics. Spell most high-frequency vocabulary accurately for a limited range of familiar general topics and some curricular topics. Give an opinion at sentence and discourse level on an increasing range of general and curricular topics. Write with some support about personal feelings and opinions on a limited range of familiar, general, and curricular topics. So look at the new vocabulary. Pay attention to their pronunciation. Move to comfortable, become, come true, decide, dedicated to, receive, award, inspiration. Write it down in your vocabulary with transcription and translation. So the next task, let's match the words with their definition. For example, to get or given something, to choose something, especially after thinking carefully about several possibilities, to start to be a pleasant feeling and do not give you any physical problems, to give money or a prize following an official decision, believing that something is very important and giving a lot of time and energy to it, someone or something that gives you ideas for doing something to happen in the way you had hoped. All right. Look at this picture and read the title. What do you think people called Florence Nightingale the lady with the lamp? Listen and check.
Florence Nightingale. Florence Nightingale was born in Florence, Italy, in 1820. Her family moved to Britain in 1821. They were very rich, and she had a very comfortable life. However, from a young age, Florence dreamt of becoming a nurse. At the age of 35, her dream came true when she started working in a hospital. A few years later, she heard about the Crimean War and decided to go to Turkey and help the injured soldiers. Florence was dedicated to her work. She worked all through the night, going around the hospital with a lamp. This is why people called her the Lady with the Lamp. After the war, she started the first school for nurses in London. She also received the Royal Red Cross Award from Queen Victoria. Florence carried on helping people who were in need for the rest of her life. She is still an inspiration to many young people all over the world. Florence Nightingale was an important woman in history. Do you know about any other important women in history? Who are they? What did they do?
All right. So read the text and translate one by one. The next task. Answer the questions. Where was Florence Nightingale born? What did she want to be as a child? What country did she travel to during the Crimean War? Why did people call Florence Nightingale the lady with the lamp? What award did she receive? Write down your answers. The next task. Use words or phrases from the section in their correct form to complete this summary. The criterion: correct use of the word or phrase in appropriate form. So time is over. Let's check it up. Check up your answers. The first one, comfortable. The second one, become. The third one, decided. The fourth one, injured. The fifth one, dedicated to. The sixth one, in need. And the last one, award. The next task. Think, how do you feel about Florence Nightingale? In your opinion, what makes Florence Nightingale a hero? Write sentences, then share your opinion and feeling with the class. For example, I think Florence Nightingale was a hero because she helped many soldiers in the war. Write down in your exercise books. So, time is over, let's check it up. Share your opinion. Alright, the next. Differentiated task. Collect information about another person who helped others. Think about name, when she or he was born, where she or he was from, what she did, how they helped other people. You can write a short text for the school English magazine, about 60 words, or make a presentation, present this person to the class orally. And now reflection. Fill the gaps, share your ideas, share your feelings. How can I improve? How I feel? What I learned and how? Thank you for your attention. Thank you for the lesson. I'm glad to see you today. Goodbye.